Struck by lightning not once, but 7 times, Roy Sullivan became known as the human lightning rod, an electrifying legend in his own lifetime. Working as a park ranger in Virginia, Sullivan's bizarre encounters with nature's fury started in 1942 and spanned over 3 decades. Each lightning strike left him with injuries, from burns to loss of toenails, yet he survived every harrowing ordeal. Statistically, the odds of being hit once are 1 in 15,000, making his repeated survival a phenomenon that baffles statisticians and fascinates everyone else. His life was a blend of awe-inspiring resilience and eerie misfortune, turning Sullivan into a symbol of defying nature's wrath. His story raises questions about luck, fate, and the extraordinary ability of human survival against seemingly insurmountable odds, leaving a lasting spark in the annals of bizarre human experiences.